Making money online is a dream for many, and recently I stumbled upon an opportunity that I think has huge potential. By leveraging Google Books and AI keywords, I believe it's possible to generate a significant income online. And in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it. Many of us have tried making money online, believe me, but we've faced so many challenges. We've tried selling digital products, creating courses, or promoting affiliate links, but more often than not, we end up failing. We get frustrated, we get disappointed, and we give up. It's easy to feel like making money online is just not meant to be. We've all been there. We've spent hours creating content, promoting it, and waiting for the sales to roll in, only to be met with crickets. It's demotivating, to say the least. The problem is that we are often trying to force something to work that just isn't working. We are trying to fit into a mold that doesn't fit us, and we are not taking the time to understand what our audience wants. We are creating products that we think people need rather than products that people are asking for. And that's why we fail. We are not speaking to the right people, and we are not solving the right problems. But what if I told you there's a way to identify the problems people are facing and create solutions that people are looking for? What if I told you there's a way to use AI keywords to find out exactly what people are searching for and exactly what they're willing to pay for? That's what we're going to cover in this tutorial. Imagine making $960 a day, not by working long hours at a job, but by letting your ebooks sell themselves online. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with Google Books and the power of AI. In today's world where technology is making everything easier, even creating books can be simple and fast. And you don't even need to be a professional writer to get started. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through how to create, publish, and sell ebooks on Google Books, potentially earning up to $960 per day. We'll explore how AI can do most of the hard work for you and how Google Books is the perfect platform to sell your books. Ready? Let's go. What are Google Books? Google Books is a massive platform that allows people to buy and read ebooks from anywhere in the world. You may have heard of Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, where authors sell their books. Well, Google Books is similar, but it has some advantages that make it a great option for self-publishers. So here's why Google Books is awesome. Number 1, 3 billion potential customers. Google Books is available in over 75 countries, which means there are billions of people who could buy your book. Number 2, it's less crowded. While Amazon is packed with tons of ebooks, Google Books has fewer authors, which means less competition for you. Number 3 is better promotion for new authors. Google Books is more likely to promote your book, helping you reach more readers faster. Now that you know why Google Books is a fantastic platform, let's talk about how to create and sell books. Step 1 is choosing the right topic for your ebook. The first step to making money with ebook is picking the right topic. You don't want to write about just anything. You want to write about something people are interested in right now. But how do you find out what's popular? That's where Google Trends and Google News come in. These tools help you to see what topics people are searching for the most. For example, you might notice that many people are interested in using AI tools like ChatGPT these days. So instead of writing a general ebook about AI, you could write about a specific topic like ChatGPT for dentists. This makes your book more focused and it helps it stand out in the marketplace. Let me tell you about a friend of mine, Gloria, a self-publisher. She used Google Trends to discover that a lot of people were looking for ways to use social media to promote small businesses. So she wrote an ebook called Instagram Marketing for Local Stores. Because her book was on a trending topic and targeted a specific group, it started selling well, even though she had no audience at first. So remember, the more niche or specific your topic is, the easier it will be to attract readers. Step 2 is where you create your ebook using AI. Now comes the fun part, writing your ebook. But guess what? You don't have to sit in front of your computer for hours trying to write every word. AI can help you with that. There are AI tools like ChatGPT that can generate text for your ebook in minutes. You simply give the AI a prompt and it will write paragraphs, chapters, or even an entire book for you. For example, if you're writing a book about using ChatGPT for dentists, you could type something like, write a chapter about how dentists can use ChatGPT to manage appointments and communicate with patients. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed chapter for you. Pretty cool, right? But here's the thing. While AI can write the bulk of your ebook, you will still need to edit and refine it to make sure it's high quality. This is where you can add your own personal touch, improve readability, and make sure the book is valuable to your audience. Always review the AI generated content in Google Docs or another word processor to ensure it flows well and makes sense. You can also add images or diagrams to make your ebook more engaging. Step 3 is designing an eye-catching cover. Have you heard the saying, don't judge a book by its cover? Well, in the world of selling ebooks, people do judge books by their covers. That's why your ebook needs to have a professional, attractive cover. If you're not a designer, don't worry. You can use AI tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney to create stunning ebooks covers in just few clicks. These tools let you input the title of your book and the theme, and they generate several covers designs for you to choose from. Alternatively, you can hire a designer on platforms like Fiverr if you prefer a custom design. My friend Adrian was nervous about designing his ebook cover, so he tried using an AI tool. He entered the title of his ebook, How to Start a YouTube Channel in 30 Days. And in minutes, he had a professional looking cover. His book looked so good that people started buying it because it caught their eye. That's the power of a great cover. Step 4 is where you publish your ebook on Google Books. Now that your ebook is ready, it's time to publish it on Google Books and start making money. Here's a quick breakdown of how to do that. Register on Google Books. You will need to create an account on the Google Books Partner Center. This is where you will upload your ebook and manage your sales. Set up your payment profile. Make sure Google Books knows how to pay you. You will need to link your bank account or payment method so you can get paid whenever someone buys your ebook. Now the next step is to price your ebook. The sweet spot for ebook pricing is usually around $9.99. It's affordable for customers but still lets you earn a good amount per sale. The next thing to do is upload your ebook. Once your book is formatted correctly and your cover is ready. Simply upload it to Google Books and you're good to go. Moving on to step 5, promoting your ebook. Just publishing your ebook isn't enough. You need to promote it to reach as many people as possible. Luckily, there are lots of ways to do this, even if you're on a tight budget. The number one way to do this is blogging with one-click blog posts. You can create blog posts related to your ebook's topic and post them on Medium or on your own website. So you can post them on Medium or you can post them on your own website, whichever one you want. There's a tool called one-click blog post that helps you generate articles quickly. For example, if your ebook is about Instagram marketing, you could write blog posts like 5 Instagram tips for small business owners and link to your ebook at the end of the article. Number 2 is to create videos using Create Studio. Another great way to promote your ebook is by making short, engaging videos, which you can use tools like Create Studios to make animated videos that explain what your ebook is about. These videos can be shared on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok. When Gloria from earlier published her ebook, she created few short videos about social media marketing tips. She shared them on YouTube and Instagram, and those videos brought her tons of traffic. People watched her videos, liked what she had to say, and clicked on the link to buy her ebook. To learn more about how to successfully sell your digital product, watch my video titled How to Sell Digital Products with No Audience in 2024, a simple guide. I'm going to put it somewhere here. Just look out for it or look at the description to get the link to the video as well. Step 6 is understanding the earning potential. So how exactly can you make $960 a day from Google Books? Let's break it down. If you sell your ebook for $9.99, that's $9.99, you will earn about 70% of that amount after Google takes its cut. That means you will make around $7 per sale. Now, if you sell one book every 15 minutes, you will make $28 per hour. Over 24 hours per day, that adds up to $960 per day. It sounds incredible, right? But keep in mind that you need to work hard to get there. Publishing multiple books on popular topics and promoting them consistently will help you increase your sales. Don't rely on just one book. Publish ebooks on various trending topics, and over time your earnings can grow as more people discover your work. Start building your passive income today. Earning $960 a day with Google Books and AI might sound like a lot, but it's completely possible if you put in the effort. By choosing the right topics, using AI tools to help you write and design your books, and promoting them smartly, you can build a steady stream of passive income. Remember, it won't happen overnight. Success takes time, but with consistency, you will start seeing results. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating your first ebook today and take the first step toward earning passive income with ebooks. I wish you good luck and happy publishing. Don't forget to meet me in the next video. I'll be expecting you there. Bye.